Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Online Shopper. Today I want to show you 5 cool stuff I found on Aliexpress. If you don't know what Aliexpress is, it's a online retail store, an e-commerce store, basically something like Amazon, but it's from China. And you can find a lot of beautiful items here at very cheap and reasonable price. So I love shopping online, hence why I started this channel. So let's get started. I found this was cool and I decided I want to share it with everyone. So first, I found this beautiful bike light. If you're into cycling, I don't know how to pronounce it properly. Zacaro multi lighting model bicycle light, USB LED bike light flash tail. Right now, guys, the description what these Chinese suppliers give for their products, it's quite stupid. And they do this to get good keyword ranking. That's why they stuff so many words in the title that don't really make sense. So I'm not going to read the titles too much. I'm just going to show you. So it's basically a bike light that changes no, I wouldn't say changes color, it's just different styles what you want. It's only $3 and it's 20,000 orders and it has 9,564 reviews. So you can see it's something that's selling pretty good. And for $3.73, you cannot go wrong. You can see if you want the heart model, you can get the heart model. It's clipped onto the bike. They're showing you how it's installed. Pretty easy. Here's a video. Let's see how it looks. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. I don't have any bike, but I know there are some of you out there that do have your bicycles and you love your bicycles, and having this on your bike will make a difference to you. I guess the hard one is for the women. They will love it. Sorry about that. That's how they look. Sorry. Once I move the mouse, it moves away. I think you get the picture here. Let's go on the reviews, see what it says. Package arrived very quickly and light. It's super nice all around. Excellent product and delivery speed. Now, when they say delivery speed, it actually takes around, if you live in the US, 2 to 3 weeks. Sometimes I was in the US for a while and it took like 1 week to get there. So it depends. Really depends. So it seems to be a very good product. Lots of reviews and people putting pictures up, so that's a good sign that it's a good product. And don't be worried, guys. As I said in the past, you can check my other videos. On AliExpress, you do have your money back guarantee. If the product is not as described, you make a claim and you do get your product back. And if you are somebody like me who was buying products regularly, you get your money back pretty fast. And sometimes you even get a free product. See, 60-day buyer protection, money back guarantee. So that was one of the product I found. It was a bicycle light, USB charge LED bike light. On to the next one. Well, first, before we go, let's see if the supply is a good supply. You can always check up here to see the seller rating. It says it's below item as described, below average, communication below average, shipping speed below average. Now, for my personal opinion, if you're buying for yourself, this doesn't really matter too much. You want to stay at 97 and he's at 97. He's also a top brand. When you see they have this little badge here, it's also a top brand, and it's pretty okay, and people will not be buying it if it didn't have that many reviews. So you gotta check on that also. If it's like this and it's all of them are below average, then you wanna really read the reviews good. But this has 20,000 orders and 9,000 plus reviews, so I think you're pretty safe with getting this one if you like. Now on to the next one. If you have knee problems like I do, this is a pretty nice one. It has 3,000 plus orders. It's called a Sport Knee Men Pressurized Elastic Knee Pad. Support Fitness. Again, I said I'm not gonna try to read everything here because it doesn't really make sense. So here's a video. And all of you who suffer with bad knees know that it's nice to have a knee support when you're playing basketball or doing any other stuff that requires you to exert a little bit pressure on your knee. Yep. Looks pretty good. This is how it looks. High quality certified product. Yep. Yep. Pretty self-explanatory. They have small size, medium, large, extra large, XL, 3XL. So that's a sports knee band. Let's go down. Look at the pictures here. I guess you have to know your size. So if you do want to order this, you make sure you know your size. Yeah. Review. Pretty good. This is someone showing it off. I've been using these knee support for 6 months now, and I am very impressed with what they do for my knee. So the reviews look pretty good. People are showing off how it came in the package. Yeah, looks okay. Looks okay. And for the price, you cannot go wrong. This is why I love Aliexpress. You can find anything you can think about here. It's $3.58. On to number 3. Now, if you're somebody who owns a guitar for recreation, you're a professional player or whatever the case. I am not. First time I'm seeing this. So I said, I'm gonna share it. It's not a problem. It's a guitar hang hook, a wall hook for your guitar. It has 8,961 orders and 3,520 reviews. For 27 cents, I don't think it's gonna bother you. But you do pay if you live in the US, and I guess other places you will pay shipping because it's a very, very small item. So it's going to come up to like about $2.50, less than $2.50. Says the shipping here to the US is $2.02. See, it looks pretty good. Let's see if you were to ship somewhere else. Let's say, for example, Bahamas. Apply. $1.85. So the shipping is not very expensive. I think if you were to go on Amazon, you would pay probably double or a little bit more for it. If you can wait, the con about AliExpress, it's the products take a little long to come. But if you don't live in the US where you have access to Amazon and eBay where stuff come really fast, AliExpress is a great alternative. Even if you live in the US, it's a great alternative to buying stuff at a cheaper price and a lot of stuff. So far you can see, I think the neck there will sit well. So the English is not proper, so when you're reading the reviews you have to take that into consideration. They are translating from different language. Delivered in about 1.5 months to Bulgaria, very well packed, double wrap, intact as described. Parcel came quickly. Very nice, I really like it. Yep. So that was the third one. Was a gator hang. And this one, I really liked how this one looked. It's a camping equipment Seiko telescope, single barrel, high power definition night vision telescope. So it's basically a mini night vision telescope. It has 1,441 orders. I think it's pretty cool, something handy to have, even just to have home as fun. It ships from China and it ships from the US. If you want it UPS 4 to 7 days, so it's going to come up to a total like around like $10. If you don't want to pay the $10, you can wait for it approximately like 2 weeks and you will pay $1.02 for shipping plus the 6 or 8 comes up to like $7.10. Let's see the reviews. You can see the reviews. I don't know, sometimes you have to check the first description, sometimes the first review, it's not the accurate one. You can see this has nothing to do with the telescope. If you check here, well packed, reliable seller, arrive in time indicated. Thank you very much. And don't be fooled, guys. Sometimes don't just pay attention to the reviews. You have to pay attention to the reviews, but I have bought stuff on AliExpress already with 1 or 2 reviews. I did a video with a BMW key holder that I bought for my car, and it had like 6 reviews, and I was blown away by the quality of the product. Absolutely blown away. I paid $9 for it. It's a very strong material, carbon fiber holder, and you would think it's worth like $30 plus or even more. You can see here a picture of someone holding it. So I think it's a cool item. And on to the last one. This is a compact zoom binocular long range 1000 meter folding HD powerful mini telescope. So it's basically a mini telescope. Binocular, not telescope, sorry. As I said, these Chinese suppliers, they will put all kind of keywords in there, so when people search for it, they can find, their listing will pop up. Of course, they had to put some females in there. I don't know why. Or images of women. It has 300 orders. Let's see. I checked up here the rating of the seller. He's above average in description, communication above average, shipping speed above average. So the reviews, it's 1,856, and this product is $10.39. Pretty cheap. Well, I wouldn't say pretty cheap. This is usually the price you would pay on AliExpress. The stuff they are cheaper because it's made in China. It's not being fully marked up yet, and they are still even cheaper, I guess, if you actually go to it's Taobao or whatever the Chinese site. The main Chinese site is for the local people, but it's all in Chinese, very hard to understand. So you can see here, ordered August 8th, took August 26th at the post office. For such money, very good quality binoculars. I can't recommend the goods and the seller. I can, sorry, not can't. And I attest to that, when I just started buying stuff on AliExpress, I really could not believe this was so cheap. The items were so cheap. I thought they were not good. Of course, you have to do your due diligence and look for what you want and make sure it's of good quality. You don't want to look for the cheapest products. And most of them might be $1 or $2 difference. So as you can see, a lot of good reviews. You have the second page. Yep, a lot of people posting their review. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. I'll be doing more videos like this. Searching on AliExpress, finding cool stuff that you can buy. Maybe you wanted something in the past and you saw it home in your country and you thought it was too expensive here on AliExpress. You can find a lot of cool items that you can purchase. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Bye.